Dad, can I get there to school?
Right to school? Percy, you're a grown up. Kaya mo na maglakad. Exercise din yun para matagtag yung tama mo.
But Dad, it's a 30 minutes walk and I'll be late.
You know na malayo yung school nyo, di ba? Ba't di mo lang nag-ready? Late ka na.
Dad, please. Just this once.
I said no. Malis ka na, busy ako.
Warren! I need some money for our lunch.
I've already gave you some spare cash kanina, di ba?
Barely enough for us to eat this afternoon. Can we even buy with 100 pesos?
What do you even know about money? Di ba ako lang naman nagtatrabaho dito para sa ating tatlo? Yet you're demanding for more?
I'm not even demanding. I'm literally just asking for some money so we can eat this afternoon. That's literally all you can give. It's like the bare minimum.
Does that seem like my problem? Sipidin mo na lang, kaya mo mag-budget, di ba? Okay na yun.
Maybe if you stop wasting your money on your stupid gambling addiction, then you wouldn't even fight over this simple thing.
Why do you even care about my gambling? Di mo ba alam, yun lang ginagawa ko para makalimutan yung pangit na pamilyan to? Doon lang ako nalilibang, hayaan mo na ako.
You're insane, Warren!
No, you're insane! Do you know how hard it is out there to earn some cash? Well, you don't, Emily. Kasi housewife ka lang. Alam mo lang mag-Facebook, hindi ka sanay magtrabaho.
Ano ba? Akin na yan!
Do you even know what insanity means? It's the inability to relate to other people and the inability to love.
Oh wow! So you're saying that I'm insane is because I don't love you anymore?
Hindi sa ganun. Tigilin natin to. We're a couple who works together. Ako yung tatay na nagtatrabaho. I make the money while you take care of the house. At mahal natin yung isa't isa.
Huh? Love each other? I don't even love you anymore. I only used you for your money.
If you really think of me that way, why the hell are you even here? I don't even love you. Kaya lang ako nandito dahil sa batang yan na hindi naman planado. Aksidente lang yan.
As tears blur my vision, Dad's words echo painfully in my mind. You were never wanted, just a mistake. The weight of their arguments crushes me, suffocating hope and replacing it with darkness. Is disappearing the only way to stop being a burden?
You may enter.
Good morning, Mrs. Sinoro. Likewise, Ms. Nayo. I've noticed a decline in your grades lately, and I'm concerned you're capable of so much more. This last few days po kasi, teacher, na papansin ko rin po nawawalan ako ng gana sa lahat. I understand, Miss Layo. Naiintindihan ko na dumadating ka sa point ng buhay mo na may problema ka. And hindi ko inaasahan na magkakaroon tayo ng usapang ganito.
But what's the point, teacher? Kahit sarili ko nga po, hindi ko na rin po alam kung ano po yung gagawin ko sa buhay ko.
Pag-isipan mo ito, Miss Layo. You will never be the person you want for taking a consino like this. And napapansin ko na every discussion ko, lutang ka. Ano bang nangyayari sa'yo? I also want to discuss the request for the letter of recommendation you sent me a week ago.
This is...
Naobserbahan ko na ang sinend mo sa aking request letter for scholarship and college. Pero kailangan ko itong i-deny.
Please, teacher, consider. You know, I try my best to turn it around.
I apologize, Miss Layog. I have nothing else other than my personal pieces of advice. I am not giving up on you, Kia. I know you've got the talent to become student you're meant to be. Do you have any concern?
Nothing, Miss Sinoro, but thank you for your concern.
Hey, so what book are you reading?
Oh, this? I found it in the library. Just a random book.
Kia, mahirap itong sabihin but I think we're gonna have to cancel our date tonight.
But why? I thought we were going to revisit our first date.
Alam ko, but look, I received a message from my friends earlier. May plano silang gumawa ng trip and I really want to go.
Which friend exactly?
The ones I told you over a month ago, my friends at my previous school.
Justin, we planned this date anniversary for an entire week.
Then let's move it at a later date. Di naman ito big deal, diba?
Bakit? Dahil ba sa pinaplano niyo na magkakaibigan? Are you planning to cancel our first date for to hang out with your friend?
Look, wala akong sinabi na i-cancel natin ang ating date para sa ating anniversary. I just want to postpone its date.
Pero love, ito yung unang anniversary natin. Paano mo ito ika-cancel?
Kia, may isa lamang akong oportunidad to spend time with my friends. Do you want me to miss all of that over a single date that we could spend every year?
But,
Please, Kia, just endure this a little longer. You don't want our relationship to break apart, right?
okay, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo gawin. Okay, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo gawin.
So, that's how it's gonna end. The great Tia, the top student is gonna hang herself.
Alam nyo, hindi ako palagi estudyanteng magaling sa lahat. It feels like everything just falling apart. My grades, they're terrible. I know I won't get a scholarship with these grades. And my parents, they've been so disappointed.
Tia, I understand that you're feeling overwhelmed right now. But let's look at the facts. Wala naman sa grades ang halaga ng tao or sa mga sinasabi ng iba. You can work on improving your grades. I'm sure na madaming college na tatanggap sa'yo. And remember, your parents' disappointment doesn't define your value. You have the resilience to overcome these challenges. And I'll be here to support you every step of the way.
It's like a punch in the gut. Akala ko lahat ng nangyayari ay totoo. Pero lahat pala ay kasi sinungalingan lang. I feel so stupid. I feel so betrayed.
I'm so sorry that you must go through this, Kia. You trusted him, and his betrayal must feel devastating. Remember, his actions don't reflect your worth or the authenticity of your feelings. Take your time to process this. And know that I'm here for you whenever you need to talk or lean on someone. I was planning to do the same thing as you, but I realized I have more things I want to do.
Three.
Thanks for the pep talk.
In life's darkest moments, when the weight of the world feels unbearable, remember this: suicide is never the answer. Your story is not defined by your struggles, but by your strength to overcome them. Reach out, speak up, and know that there is always help and hope available. You are not alone. Your life is precious, and your presence is irreplaceable. Choose to fight, choose to live, because your future holds endless possibilities. Suicide is never an option.